What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who just really misses my bike? Like, I miss my bike. It's cold, it's winter, it's snow, it's icy. This sucks. We're gonna go visit my bike today. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Bam! These should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also down below is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so today we're going to be checking out a new product from Hogworkz, and we're going to be getting it installed on the bike to see what it looks like. And this is one that I'm quite excited about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the box and check it out, because I have yet to open this and see this in person. I've only seen it online. I'm very excited to have it here, and I can't wait to share that with you. Let's do it. Bam! That's what we got. Let's do it. So this came from Hogworkz. Let's get our trusty blade. Alright, let's get our trusty blade and let's open this box and check this out. Let's see what we've got. This is going to be a cool one. I'm excited. Alright, so we got lots of padding, which again, I've said this many times, Hogworkz does a great job packing and shipping their stuff. Also, this was ordered and like it took like a day or two for it to show up. They're in like the middle of the country. I'm on the East Coast. This stuff shows up so damn quick. These guys, I don't know what deal they've made with like FedEx, but it's awesome. All right. Ooh. All right. Send me a hoodie. Hell yeah. First and foremost, let's check out the swag, shall we? All right. Oh, hoodies. Guys, you know me. You know me. So, all right. There we go. Back up there. Check that out. I haven't seen the... Yeah. Thanks, guys. Nice heavyweight hoodie going on here. Oh, that is comfy. I like that. Thanks, guys. I did not order this. They included this. But, yeah. Digging it. Thanks, Hogworkz. All right, so let's get into the actual thing that I ordered. If you can't tell just yet, I'll kind of spoil it for you. This is a front engine guard, although I'm sure the thumbnail already like spoiled this for you. So there's that, right? But let's get the foam off. Let's check this out. This is looking nice. Got some of the bolts to attach this to the bike. Get that off there. Just want to make sure I don't mess anything up in the process. Again, Hogworkz does a fantastic job packing their stuff. I've never had an issue with something being bent, scratched, dented. They just do a great job. So this right here, this is what we're doing. Check that out, check that out. Little spacers on the side, there we go. This is the Hogworkz Level Up Performance Engine Guard. So this is for the front of the bike. This bolts right onto your bike. There are no modifications that need to be done. All you do is remove your old engine guard, bolt this one right in. This one in particular is for touring models between 2014 and 2024, and it comes in at $240. Again, you order this, you're probably gonna get it within a day or two once they are available. Currently they are a back order until mid-March, so just keep that in mind. And this is a 1.25 inch steel tube design. So this thing feels really nice. The ends are removable. They have like a little Allen wrench bolt right on the end there. If you want to add a little bit of color, they do include a couple different spacer options. So we have gold, we have red, we have blue, and then we just have chrome silver. Yeah, that's chrome. So 4 different options that come in the box. Those spacers are going to go right here on the actual bar. When you take that off, put these on. You know how we're going to do this. You've seen my bike. Part of the claim, and I'm excited to check this out especially, is you can also use this as a makeshift highway bar. So if you want to put your feet up on this and rest them while you're doing a longer ride, you can do that. It is encouraged. I'm excited about that because my current engine guard, I had to get little foot pegs to put on there. I like them. They're comfy. I'm glad they are there, but I like the more streamlined, cleaner look. So if I can get a bar that's kind of an all-in-one that does it for me all together, I'm going to be much happier with that. So this seems like it would be the answer to a lot of my dreams and demands. Let's pop this on the bike and let's find out. All right, so this is what we're dealing with up in New England right now. So yeah, riding's been a little difficult, but let's get inside and check out the bike. Oh, hello, ladies. Got the Road Glide right there. Got the Sporty over there. All right, so let's get that engine guard off. And let's get our new one. All right, so here's my extra chunky Lind V bar, which has served me very well over the years. I'm not gonna talk smack about them. I have the silicone rings right here that was built into the bar. That's so I could put my feet up. They are a little bit slippery, but they are doable. Like I said, I added these in last year, but it doesn't really give me that nice clean look that I like to have. So I'm excited to see this new bar and see where everything falls on the bike and how it feels. And, you know, if I can put my feet up for nice long rides. Let's get it on and find out. Now, obviously, the new bar is going to be a little bit lower. So there's a few different bolts that you're going to have to be aware of to install this. The first one, right down there, we're bolting in. And then these 2 right here look to be where it's going to line up. And that's where our new bar is going to go. So those are going to have to come out as well. We have some bolts from Hogworkz, but also you could probably reuse these. We'll find out in just a second. But overall, it looks like the bar is going to be right about here, which is a great height, especially for those longer rides. And like I said, if you want to throw your feet up. And just like that, this bad boy is on. So again, 2 bolts right in here, bolt on the side down here, bolt on the side on the other side, and it is good. Let's get a better view of this and see how it looks, shall we? All right, guys, so, you know, just a little change there. Speaking of change. Yeah, right? This is a good hoodie, man. This is comfy. I'm digging this. So, yeah, little change. Change is good. So, yeah, sorry I didn't get the bike out, riding it around. But as you can see, we're dealing with some snow and ice right now. But I am definitely looking forward to getting out on the bike and really testing out that engine guard. As you could see, I could definitely pop my feet up on there. It was in a nice comfy position, so I'm very excited about that, and I'm definitely looking forward to using those. Like I said before, I liked my old engine guard, but it's nice to have a more streamlined, clean look, and the Hogworkz Level Up Performance Engine Guard is definitely that nice, clean look. The other great thing about the Hogworkz Engine Guard is they also have matching bag guards. So if you're looking to do like just a nice streamlined look where everything just looks complete, put together, nice effect, they have those as well. A little bit of foreshadowing coming your way right there, right? So yeah, I've said it 100 times before. Hogworkz does great products. I have a bunch of stuff on my bike. It started with the bag liners. It went to the front fender. I've got that King Tour pack in the back. Everything I've gotten from those guys has just been fantastic. And I absolutely love dealing with them. The shipping is just light speed. Everybody that I talk to over there are the nicest people. When I meet them out on the road at different rallies, they are the nicest people and they're the best people to go hang around with. If you're at a rally, I definitely encourage you. Tell them that I said hi. They are great. That's what I've got for you. What do you have? Do you like the way these look? Is this something that you'd be interested in? Do you have the Hogworkz Engine Guard? Sound off down below. Let people know how you like it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude who's like, I would love a really sweet engine guard. Here you go, dude. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see y'all on the flip side.